Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Everly Poof Sleeve Knot t-shirt. To join the top bodice, prepare 2 pieces of 3/8 of an inch width by 2 inches long fusible interfacing and lay on the wrong side of back top shoulder piece on both sides. Use hot steam iron to apply the interfacing on the garment. Place the right side of the back top piece and front top piece facing each other, straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width and finish with overlock stitch using a serger. To make neckband, fold the neckband piece in half lengthwise, right side facing each other, and straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width to make a loop. To make poof sleeve with twist knot, from front single notch to back single notch, sew 2 straight stitches with 3.5 wide stitch length for gathering. Gently pull the back thread on each side so that the finished measurement will go from 8 inches to 4 inches long on top of the sleeve. Next, take the bottom leg piece on the front side of the sleeve and make 2 twists. Ensure the bottom leg of the sleeve matches the side of the sleeve and pin to secure. From side seam of the sleeve, 1/4 inch straight stitch to 0 close towards the twist. The closer you can get without sewing over the twist, the tighter the knot will become. To attach neckband to body, fold the neckline wrong side facing each other and lay the bodice right side up. Match the center back seam of the neckband and center back notch of the bodice and pin. Also, match the center front notch of the neckband and bodice, then pin to secure. Overlock the neckband and neck opening. Fold the neckband inside so that you only see 1/4 inch width neckband. This way, you will cover the overlock seam for a clean finish. To assemble puff sleeve t-shirt, lay the bodice right side up and match the sleeve notch with shoulder seam, then pin along before you sew. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width and finish with overlock stitch. Next, place the right side of the bodice facing each other and close the underarm of the sleeve and side seam with 3/8 of an inch straight stitch and overlock stitch. Lastly, finish the cut edge of the hem with overlock stitch. Then, fold 3/4 inch width inside of the t-shirt and double straight stitch with 1/8 of an inch apart. Give a nice press on the hem, side seam, and armhole to finish this adorable Everly puff sleeve with twist knot t-shirt. Thank you for watching. Hope this sewing tutorial inspires you to make an Everly puff sleeve knot t-shirt from knit fabric. Grab the Everly top sewing pattern. I'll have a link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your Everly top with me on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!